So this is our code for reading the NTC. So here I have initialized few variable like the thermistor pin. So I'm using GPIO 13. Then the reference voltage is 3.3 volt and the reference resistor and nominal resistance value is 10k and the beta is like 3950. So it will be given in the datasheet. Normally the NTCs that come are like 3950 and the nominal temperature is like 25 degree and at 25 degree this is the Kelvin 298.15. So I'm just reading the ADC value and if the ADC value is successfully read, I'm calculating the voltage, then the resistance and using the resistance I'm calculating the temperature in Kelvin. So this is the formula. So first like you have to calculate the voltage using the ADC into reference voltage which is 3.3 volt divided by like 4095, the max ADC value. Then you have this the calculated voltage into reference resistor which is 10k divided by like the reference voltage is 3.3 minus the voltage which we have read, and then this is our formula like log of resistance divided by nominal resistance which is like 10,000 and the resistance which we have calculated in the previous step divided by beta which is like 3950. So this resistance we use it here with the nominal resistance to get the log, then divide that by this beta and then plus 1 by T0. T0 is your 298.15 and the whole thing is like divided by 1. So this will give us temperature in Kelvin. So we minus like 273.15 to give temperature in centigrade. Then we'll just round it off to 2 digit and displaying it here. And just put a delay of 3 seconds like in the forever loop. So this is our code to read the ADC temperature. So this is my 10k NTC and this is my red is your VCC 3.3 volt. So this is not signal, this is like VCC 3.3 volt and the middle one is the ground. So middle one is not VCC, it is ground, and this one is not ground minus, this is not ground, this is the signal. So this signal is going into pin 13 here and 3.3 volt and ground is connected on pin 13.